guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this mouth-watering egusi soup, and guess what, it is a no frying method, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. These are the ingredients you will need: chicken. You can also use beef or goat meat. Stockfish. Guys, can you see this fresh looking isio boroko? Oh my goodness, this is so fresh, guys. You will need your chicken, stockfish, and the star of the dish, which is egusi. I grinded it with crayfish. And you will need your fresh pepper. I've already grinded mine. Your onions, your palm oil. Palm oil, guys, it's very important. And your uziza leaves. I don't miss adding these uziza leaves. Your pumpkin leaves, which is also known as ugu leaves. And your salt. Don't forget your seasoning cubes as well. That's all. Add your chicken in the pot. Season it with your salt, onion, seasoning cubes. Cover and cook with no water, guys. Don't add water yet. The chicken will release its own water. So just season it with your onion, salt, and seasoning cubes. Then you cook. So as you can see, the chicken is boiling perfectly well. Can you see the water it's released by itself? Yes, so don't add water. It's now time to add your washed okporoko, which is your stockfish. Then after adding the stockfish, it's now the perfect time to add water. Add enough water to cook both the meat and the stockfish together. And don't worry, the stockfish will disintegrate once it cooks perfectly. Cover the pot and cook for about 20 minutes. This has been cooking for 20 minutes now, and the meat together with the stockfish, it's now soft. So you add your fresh pepper. It's time to add the fresh pepper. You add your palm oil. Guys, I like calling it palm oil. You can also call it red oil. You add your red oil. You can use more or less. Then you cover the pot to cook for about 5 more minutes. Guys, can you see the color already? It's popping. It's now time to add your egusi. And remember, as I said earlier, I grinded mine with crayfish, as you can see. Then pour your egusi inside the pot and don't stir it. After pouring it, you cover and cook for 5 minutes. This has been cooking for 5 minutes. It's now time to stir it. Stir it in. Stir. After stirring it, you cover for another 2 more minutes. Yes, let's wait for 2 minutes. So to know your egusi is cooked properly, oil will start to float on top, as I'm just showing you. Those are the oil floating on the top. It's now time to stir it once again. Stir it, stir, so that all the ingredients will marry each other. Leave none behind. Stir it. Guys, can you spot that chicken leg looking at me? Guys, oh, this chicken leg wants me to devour it. So stir it, stir. After stirring for a while, It's now time to add your vegetables, which is the last thing. I start by adding my uziza leaves, after which ugu leaves follows. After adding all these vegetables, cover the pot for few seconds. Then you open and stir again. So if you've watched up to this point and you've not yet subscribed, please click that red button, guys. Click the red button, put on your notification bell, like this video, like the video, comment down below so I'll know if you like it or not. After adding the vegetables, then it's now time to stir it for the last time. And the soup is ready. Can someone shout in the background? The soup is now ready, guys. Can you see how delicious, how yummy this soup is, guys? Oh my, oh my. This soup is looking so good, and believe me, it tastes so good. So after stirring, you can test for salt and adjust your seasoning. Mine is perfect, guys. So the soup is ready, ready. You can eat this soup with eba, fufu, your oatmeal, anything you want. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.